Welcome back to TopHomeowner.com. I want to do a review on a bed topper. We looked at several different brands and models. This one was one of the higher reviewed, had more stars than most of them. We got it for the main purpose of getting it was our bed started to slope a little bit towards the center. We have a king size bed, so it's not that uncommon, and we wanted to put this on and see if it kind of leveled it out. For the most part it did work. You can still kind of tell, but on the plus side, I realize there's a lot of advantages to it. I would have done an unboxing, but once you get these guys out of the box and get them spread out, you're not getting it back in the box. So we went ahead and pulled it out and laid it out. It's probably best if you can lay it on another bed or something. It's going to take, we left it out for 3 days as it kind of fills itself back up, I guess, with air. I'm not sure how this foam works, but once it took about 3 days to fully expand within it. Once it was expanded, then we went ahead and moved it to the bed, laid it down, and I'll tell you what, it's been a great experience. This has 3 inches of the memory foam. I think it's got another piece of foam that's also in there. It's a gel infused, and it has no skid on the bottom, so it's not moving around on your mattress. But I was pleasantly surprised. I didn't think I would enjoy this as much as I have. It does keep it very cool. The negatives on it makes your bed a little bit higher. Of course, it's 3 more inches added to the top of your mattress. You want to get the deep pocket sheets so it can go over this and then go into underneath your mattress. Actually, I can't really think of many other negatives than that. I'm so comfortable. I've heard a lot of complaints about how they get hot and cause you to sweat. I've had the total opposite experience with this. It's actually, once you get in the bed, it's even cooler. I mean, you get in there, it's kind of nice. You cover up with sheets and it warms up and it comforts to you. And I've had no problem sleeping. Actually, I think I've been sleeping better since we used this than beforehand. Like I said, it's a little bit more expensive, but I figured it would be with the reviews that came out with it. It's got a nice quilted cover. All in all, the negatives, of course, are that it's a little bit, it adds 3 inches, a little bit harder to get in bed because you got to go that much higher. That's about all I can say on the negative side of it. On the positive side, it's been comfortable. It's cooler. You don't sweat. It's very well taken. I mean, it's a very, very high quality product. And please see below and click on the link, and I appreciate your time and looking at the video.